हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल बेसिक इलेक्ट्रिकल। आज के हमारे वीडियो का टॉपिक है पर यूनिट फॉर द थ्री फेज सिस्टम। तो हम जानेंगे थ्री फेज सिस्टम के लिए पर यूनिट हम कैसे कैलकुलेट करते हैं उसके बारे में। पिछले वीडियो में हमने देखा था पर यूनिट सिस्टम फॉर द सिंगल फेज सिस्टम। सो टुडे वी हैव परफॉर्म फॉर द थ्री फेज सिस्टम। सो एज यू नो दैट इज़ द पर यूनिट फॉर द सिंगल फेज system. So what is its value, base value, that is equal to the VPB into IPB, that is for the single phase system. So we know that it is always for the three phase system, it is always perform in star connection. So remember that it is always perform in star connection. If it is given in delta form, then convert it in star form. So if delta form is given, then convert it in star. So that is IPB is equal to S single phase B upon VPB. But we know that star connection, so VLB is equal to root 3 VPB and ILB is equal to IPB, and that is for the star connection. Next, so the per unit phase voltage. So per unit phase voltage, what is that? Per unit phase voltage, VP per unit is equal to VP upon VPB. That is the per unit voltage. Next is per unit line voltage. What is per unit line voltage? So what is the per unit line voltage? We know that VL per unit is equal to, what is that? VL upon VL base is equal to, for the star connection, what is that? VL is equal to root 3 V base. So we can write that root 3 VP, and for the VLB, that is root 3 VLB. So here what is that? Root 3 and root 3 is cancel out. So what its value is that? That is value is VL per unit is equal to VP upon, sorry, what is that? We change it, VPB. VPB is equal to VP per unit. So that is the value for the three phase system. Now per unit for phase current. So per unit for phase current, what is that? Per unit value for phase current, that is IL per unit is equal to IL upon ILB, and we know that what is IL for the star connection, and that is IL is equal to IPB. So IL is equal to IP and ILB is equal to IPB. So put that value for the star connection, that is IL per unit is equal to IP and that is I PB, that is equal to IP per unit. That is the value of per unit phase current. Next is S 3 phase is equal to, what is that? We know that 3 VP and IP, we can write like this. So that is equal to 3 into S of single phase. So here we can write like this: S 3 phase base is equal to 3 S of single phase. So S of single phase per unit is equal to, what is that? Single phase per unit is equal to S of single phase upon S single phase base. Now come for the 3 phase. What is that? S of 3 phase per unit is equal to S of 3 phase upon S of 3 phase base value. So we can write like this: 3 of S of single phase upon, what is that? 3 of S of single phase base. That is equal to, what is that? S of single phase per unit. So we can write like this: S of 3 phase is 3 phase per unit is equal to S of single phase per unit is equal to S of per unit. Similar way we can calculate. Similarly, what is that? VL per unit is equal to VP per unit is equal to V per unit. Similar way, IL per unit is equal to IP per unit is equal to I per unit. Similarly, P 3 phase per unit is equal to P single phase per unit is equal to P per unit, and Q 3 phase per unit is equal to Q single phase per unit is equal to Q per unit value for the active and reactive power. Now base impedance per phase. What is base impedance? Per phase. So that is you know that what is ZB is equal to VPB upon IPB. So that is, we can write like this: VPB whole square upon S1 single phase base. So in the star connection, VLB is equal to √3 VPB. So ZB is equal to VLB upon √3 divided by ILB, because in the case of star connection, ILB is equal to IPB. So we can write like this: ILB is equal to IPB. Now ZB is equal to, what is that? 1 upon √3 VLB upon ILB. VLB. So that is the value. We can write like this because we know that what is that in the star connection VL is equal to root 3 V phase. So in the for the three phase system, S three phase is equal to 3 BPB IPB. So we can calculate from there, that is the value of ILB. So we can put that value. So the value of ZB is equal to 1 upon root 3 VLB, and put the value of ILB. What is that ILB? As three phase base upon root 3 VLB. So that is the value. Now we can calculate that ZB is equal to VLB whole square upon S three phase B. So ILB, what is that ILB? ILB is equal to S three phase base upon root 3 VLB. So ZB is that, what is that ZB? ZB is equal to VLB whole square upon S three phase base, and ILB is equal to S three phase base upon root 3 VLB. Now KA base is equal to MVA base upon root 3 KV base. So ZB is equal to, what is that ZB? VLB whole square, we have already calculated, upon S three phase base. So ZB is equal to KV base whole square upon MVA base. We can write like this. So Z per unit is equal to actual value upon base value. So we can like this, Z upon ZB. In the many of the PSU asking about the what is the per unit value of Z per unit. So it is the ratio of actual value upon base value. So you can remember that. And next is the Z per unit is equal to Z upon ZB. So Z into 1 upon ZB, and we know that the value of ZB, so that is KV base whole square upon MVA. So that is the Z per unit is equal to Z into MVA upon KV base whole square. So that is the very important formula for calculating the Z per unit. Okay, this one is the very important formula. Next is change of base, and it is also an important topic, change of base. Most of the questions of GATE is asking about this formula, based on this formula. So next is that Z per unit old, okay, on MVA base old and KV base old. And next is Z per unit new on MVA base new and KV base new. So Z per unit old is equal to Z ohm into MVA upon kV. So MVA base old into kV base square old. Similar way, Z ohm we can write like this: Z ohm is equal to Z per unit old into what is that, kV base square old upon MVA base old. MVA base old. So that is equation number 1. Okay, and we know that Z per unit nu is equal to Z into MVA base nu upon kV square base nu. So substitute these values, value of Z from 1. Substitute the value of Z from equation number 1. So Z per unit nu is equal to Z per unit old into MVA new upon MVA old. Okay, into kV base square old upon kV base square new. So that is the very important formula for the calculation of Z per unit. What is that? Z per unit new is equal to Z per unit old into MVA new upon MVA old into kV base square old upon kV base square new. So that is the very important formula of the Z per unit. So I hope that you can enjoy that lecture. So thank you very much. Please like and subscribe my channel Basic Electrical.